guys, it's me Donna. So today here's another unboxing video. My dad bought me Uggs, chestnut Uggs. It's Bailey Bow. I'm gonna unbox it right now. Okay, so here's the box in. Okay, so here's some stuff here. And then, okay. See, it's really wrapped up nicely. Oh, and here they are. Whoa, it's so soft. And if I open the tape, let me see. Open this. Oh, geez. And they have some stuff in here. And this is how the right foot looks like. Looking what's in the box. Okay, that's a lot of wrapping paper. Oh, jeez. It was really good. It was only 2-day shipping, which is really good. I'll put the link in the description down below. And that's basically it. Like this video if you want me to keep doing unboxing videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.